Okay, this question is very similar to question 2. You'd be lucky if you get this one, because this is of a much simpler form. Now, study the circuit diagram below and answer the questions that follow. It's important that you read, okay? So underline the word or phrase which correctly complete each sentence. The current through the resistor is measured using an, okay? Remember, current in amps. That's the symbol, that's the unit. So if we're going to measure the current, we're going to use an ammeter. And if we have a look, and we remember that a series circuit is everything that's connected in a loop. So if there's one loop, that's the series part of the circuit. So this one's series. The current through the resistor is less than, the same as, more than the current through X. So we have a look, and we need to know the fact about a series circuit that the current only has one path to take, and therefore will be the same all the way around. If you've got a river, for example, and it's flowing at 3 miles an hour there, the water is going to be pushed at 3 miles an hour all the way around, isn't it? The current's just the same in a series circuit. If there's 3 amps there, there's 3 amps there, 3 amps there, 3 amps there. So this is the same. Then we've got X is. It's either an ammeter, a voltmeter, or a variable resistor. Remember the clue? Resistor begins with an R, rectangle begins with an R. So X is a variable resistor. Now that is 4 marks in the exam. About 6 or 7% for a nice easy bit of the question. Now, the following measurements were taken from the meters in the circuit. Voltage and current. If we have a look on the graph, we've got voltage, because it's on the left, current going up. It then says, plot the data onto a grid below and draw a suitable line. So let's have a look. We've got 0, 0. Pencil, small dotted line. Then we've got 2, 1. I'm finding this difficult, so I'm going to use a ruler. Now the next bit is 4. 4. And then it goes to 2. So you find 4, 2. Put a little point. And then don't be afraid to check back. Is that 4? Yeah. Is that 2? Yeah. Now the next one, I'm going to do this fairly quickly so it doesn't make the video too boring. We've got 6, 3, which is there. 8, 4, no, 8, 4, which is about there. And then we've got 12, 6, which is all the way in the corner. Must have plotted that one wrong, sorry. 4 goes across, yeah. So we've got 4, 8, which is that point there. Not that one. So we've plotted the points. I'd rub that out with a rubber normally. So we've plotted all the points. Small pencil mark, dead on the point. And this is 3 marks for plotting a graph. You can take 3, 4, 5 minutes to plot this graph. There's no rush. Make sure the lines are pointed accurately and check back with a ruler. Is that 2? Yeah. Is that 1? Yeah. Now a suitable line. A suitable line for this one is a straight line of best fit connected with a ruler. Do not go through and dot to dot the points. You either use a ruler, or if the graph was plotted like this, for example, okay, draw a nice curve. It's either a smooth curve or a straight line. This one's going to be a straight line. So that's 3 marks. As long as you do the pencil bit, 3 marks, nice and easy, isn't it? Now next bit, use the graph and the equation. Resistance is voltage divided by current. It's told you exactly what to do in there. We then go back, and instead of reading off our graph, we can just use our table. So if we have a look at maybe the last point, which is 12, 6. Voltage is 12. Current is 6. 6 divided by 12 is 2. The answer is 2. 2 marks. Nice and easy, isn't it?